What's up, guys? Camera's on today. How's it going, man? How you doing? I haven't seen you in a while. I made it to the Lake Elsinore shop, and we're going to install that headphone jack that we need to put into the iPad 6. But I want to take a moment and introduce you to everyone. First off, this is Chris. He's been with us, we said 7 years?
7 years.
7 years.
2014.
He's my senior tech. He knows just about everything that I do, maybe some things more. But we've been working together for a lot, and I'm real lucky to have him. And then this is Naomi. Hi, Naomi. Naomi, for you, what has it been like? Going on 2. Naomi helps out with dealing with the front when the customers come in, and also she calls customers, and without her we would just be getting people angry with us, I'm sure. And this their son Bradley. You want to say hi, Bradley?
Hi.
What are you playing right now?
Playing Roblox.
You love Roblox, huh?
Yeah.
All right, so let's get to the point here. Do you have that part already? The part we're gonna put in. So this is the old port, and the customer got something stuck in there. I don't know if you can see that very well. Sometimes you can pull these out, but this was pretty bad, so we decided just to order the new one. And like I said, you have to make sure you get the right one, because they're different compared to if it has this right here. If it has plastic here, that means it's it does cellular. The antennas are back there. These are the antennas here, so it's a different model versus the one that's just Wi-Fi. It looks like we got the right one. They look the same.
A little newer. Cool. Yeah, a little different. Just go ahead and slide it in.
Chris already opened this up because it took a little while to get this part. We wanted to get it done as soon as possible.
Go ahead and clip that.
It just has that snap connector.
Boom, boom. Is it snapped?
I wonder if we have a old headphone jacks to even try it.
Oh, that's true, huh?
I mean,
Actually, I think Naomi, does Bradley have his headphones? Those are the port, right?
He has them.
Okay.
Yeah, we can use those to test them. That'll work. You just tighten this down. There we go. The lone soldier. Boom, boom. Bada bing. I think that's... Let me make sure this is down before anything.
is there anyone you want to give a shout out to? No, just
No shout.
Actually, to play us close. We're actually giving a computer
So get the
control that.
battery lifted.
This is our front of the
Little
house.
plastic piece is stuck on the inside of the connector, so we'll just lift that up a little bit.
This is Chris's desk. He does a lot of work. I spend most of my time here where Naomi's sitting. We have a server in the back, home server, remote server, Mac machine.
There we go. Click, click. Boom, boom. Boom, boom. Just get everything loosely hooked up here so I can test. Click, click. Click, click. Leave that here. Click, click, boom, boom. There
So
we
he
go.
has this in here to make sure that the battery's not touching, because you don't want the battery connected when you're connecting your LCD, I guess, or your digitizer either, for that matter. Just keep it always off.
Or else things will happen.
Yeah, like I said in the last video on the 12.9.
Oh my god.
Ask me how I know.
Yeah. There's a reason
No fun.
I do most of them almost now.
I mean, at this point, even the ones that are not, it's just not worth it. You might as well just do it all.
Oh, hold on, I forgot the home button connector.
Get that connected.
I'll just connect it. That doesn't really need power. Just gonna put this in here. These are the better ones. There's no one Mark uses tweezers.
It's tweezers for everything, and glasses, and half the time I need a microscope just so I can see what I'm doing.
Let's turn that on. I think I charged it.
Yeah, plug.
Oh, there we go. Got some charge. We can keep it on the screen so it doesn't die. It's at 4%. There we go. Home button. Ta-da. Let's get the headphones.
All right.
A magic moment. Oh, that's it, right?
All right.
Looks like it's good.
Sweet. All right. So now we're just gonna
Let them hear it.
There we go.
There we go.
So yeah, this type of job is really not that hard. You just got to be careful when you open it up not to damage the digitizer. If you do, it's not the end of your world, but it does take away from profit, guys. So if you're doing this, take your time. Like I said in the last video, always price things appropriately. Just, don't want to go super cheap, and then if you break something, you're actually losing money. That's not how you run a business. So.
Power.
So it looks like he still has to tape this up, get the old
Yeah.
tape off, put new tape on, put that little retainer up at the top, and screw the LCD in, and a plate that covers the digitizer connectors and the home button connector. And we will be all good. We'll be able to call the customer and let him know that his device is fixed and ready for pickup.
You gotta give him the.
All right, that's it, guys. Got that one working. Chris got that one working, and we're good to go. We just have it clamped right now, and let that thing dry. Get set really good. Call the customer for pickup in a little bit. This is old part, and that's it. I'm out of here. I'm going home. These guys got a little bit more time, but we'll see you next time. Oh, I'm going home. Bye.